is it called Greedy Chronicles? Because I like to eat your food, my food, his food, go cook food, pick up food. Greedy Chronicles.
Good morning, family. So I am starting my coffee. I set this up high on, this is nothing more than a candle top, just so that the drop is lower. The cup is up closer to the drip, and it helps it not splash all over the place. So I had gotten my water going, and I put it on 12 cup, I put it on strong, and I wait until it perks. I am doing Dunkin' Donuts this morning, and my choice of creamer, I'm going to mix my French vanilla. Let's see, can you see it? I only use International. I do not like Coffee Mate. It has a different taste to me. And then I'm going to do caramel macchiato. This one's brand new, so I have to get that open. I am going to work on brunch instead of breakfast. It's another bag of rice. Can y'all tell that I love this rice? We go through a lot of rice in this house. I always flavor it with onions. I always add accent for additional flavoring and garlic. And I'm going to do a little bit of pepper. Not too much because of Joshua. And then I need to also add a little bit of my oil, not too much. If you have too much water or oil, your rice is not going to fall apart. It's going to be gummy. And I have to come back in with my garlic, but I'm going to let that go ahead and boil. So I am making another really quick meal. We get these breaded panko shrimp from COSTCO. And let me let you see what they look like. These things are the absolute best unless you're going to coat them yourself and have a sizable shrimp. The shrimp are very sizable. I want to say you get, I don't know, 45 to 50 shrimp in here. We usually eat out of this bag about 2 to 3 times, depending, if they're for a snack or our main course. But I'm about to, I turned the oven on 400. I am going to put them on this rack, and I have the yellow rice going. And it's just going to be like rice and yellow rice and fried shrimp today. The oven is preheating. I'm getting that up to 400. Here are my shrimp, and I'm going to start placing them onto the baking sheet. And because it does drip a little bit of oil, I just put that underneath this wire rack so it could catch it. And I simply can just take that aluminum foil off, and it's an easy, very easy cleanup. Look how large the shrimp are. And that's not predominantly breaded. That's what I love about these. So I have put everything onto the oven rack, to the rack, waiting for it to preheat. Just want you to see the size of them. Once they are done, I'm going to serve them with a side of yum yum sauce. If you ever eat at the, the grills where they cook in front of you, a lot of times when they make that rice, the fried rice in front of you, they're actually using yum yum sauce, and they will give you some on the side. But I actually buy some for at home because we love it. All right, we'll let you see what it looks like when it's all plated. I set it for 18 minutes, and then I'll let the oven, leave it in there and let the oven finish cooking it for probably 5 more minutes. Stay tuned for the next upcoming meal. Potatoes, sausage, everything will be added. Okay, the shrimp are out. They're good and crispy. Rice is ready. And we're gonna plate it and add some yum yum sauce. Okay, here's my little lunch plate. I am gonna put a little bit of hot sauce on the shrimp. And I'm gonna pour a little yum yum sauce.
Yum, yum, yum.
Just a little and mix it in my rice. And we are good to go. Mwah! Thank you for joining us for another quick meal with Greedy Chronicles. So delicious.